kailangan mo maging random. Kailangan mo maging parang mix of emotions. You need to be happy at the same time, you need to be sad. Kailangan mo maging...
Importante mo. So, pwede yung tingnan po yung mga katabi po ninyo. Sa kanilang kanan, please take a good look at the person beside you. And please tell them, ang ganda mo at ang guwapo mo. Pakisabi lang po.
Oh, yan!
Ang ganda mo.
Ang guwapo mo.
Hindi lang yan. Sino gusto maging milyonaryo? Taas na kamay! Sa likod, ayaw maging milyonaryo eh. Taas na kamay! Taas! Ayan, maraming salamat.
Tumaas din siya sa upuan niyo. Yan!
Entrepreneurs. So we want to find out more about how you sa inyong mga sailing by at pwede maging entrepreneurs at
everyone, to Go Negosyo founder Joey Concepcion, good afternoon. Private sectors, regional directors, provincial directors, and our beloved MSMEs. On behalf of the Department of Trade and Industry, the MSME Development Group, it is my honor to present some projects under the OTOP Philippines as DTI expands the concept of this OTOP program. The Department of Trade and Industry has expanded the concept of the OTOP Philippines. The OTOP program now includes all the products and services that are locally produced across the 16 regions of the Philippines. These products and services represent the areas where Filipino MSMEs can excel and can be recognized.
Crafts into sought-after products. Driven by the vision of a Bagong Pilipinas, characterized by shared prosperity and economic opportunity. Bagong Pilipinas Marketplace, the largest business-to-business e-commerce. Behind every small business is a heart full of dreams. Dreams that build legacies. Legacies that share a piece of the Filipino spirit to the world. For decades, the One Town, One Product initiative has been the thread that connects local businesses with the market. It has empowered micro, small, and medium enterprises, transforming their passions into thriving businesses and their local crafts into sought-after products. Driven by the vision of a Bagong Pilipinas, characterized by shared prosperity and economic opportunity for all, the Department of Trade and Industry, through the MSME Development Group, is rebranding OTOP as a collective showcase of products from across the Philippines, representing the pride and ingenuity of our nation. Recognizing the importance of learning for the growth of MSMEs, we are transforming OTOP hubs into retail and learning centers. A space where entrepreneurs showcase, learn, and collaborate to grow their businesses. Also launching soon are the Grand Food Hall and the Lifestyle Store as part of the program initiatives. To propel MSMEs into the digital and AI age, DTI is proud to introduce OTOP Marketplace, the largest business-to-business e-commerce platform for Philippine products. This B2B platform is designed to be a gateway for Filipino MSMEs. With just a few clicks, entrepreneurs can seamlessly engage in wholesale trade, expanding their network of suppliers and buyers. Tap into the vast potential of both domestic and international markets and cultivate long-term partnerships that lead to sustainable growth. It's more than a platform. It's a bridge to a world of possibilities. The OTOP Marketplace, empowering Filipino MSMEs to connect, grow, and thrive. The
success of our MSMEs is crucial to fortifying the foundation of our economy. I reiterate the government's full commitment to work hand in hand with all stakeholders to make certain that MSMEs are protected and provided with ample opportunities. we will continue to stand by your side, walk down the same road, no matter the circumstances.
Together, let's build an inclusive and brighter Bagong Pilipinas.
Actually, it's the DTI Bagong Pilipinas Marketplace. Okay, in behalf of the Department of Trade and Industry, I encourage all the MSMEs to use this DTI Marketplace to achieve the growth and expansion of your businesses. Aligned with the vision of the Bagong Pilipinas, the DTI MSME Development Group encourages you to take advantage of the huge local market to expand and grow your business to achieve a very strong Philippine economy. Thank you.
Small Business Corporation, Mr. Robert Bastillo. Mr. Bastillo, marami ng fans pala sa likod. Maraming salamat, Mr. Bastillo. Can you please join us over here sa last seat? Enjoy the Mr. Robert Bastillo, yung kaibigan natin mula sa GCash, yung Vice President and General Manager for B2B, Mr. Jong Layo. Sir Jong, thank you so much for joining us here this afternoon. And of course, yung best friend ni Mr. Jong Layo, Head of MSME Business of Maya, Mr. Renan Santiago. Sir Renan, thank you so much for joining us. We also have joining us here on stage, yung ating co-CEO of GoType Bank, Mr. Albert Dino. Sir Albert, thank you so much for joining us. And of course, yung aking idolo sa negosyo, yung President and CEO of Esquire International Financing, Mr. Rajan Raj Uttam Chandani. Boss Raj, thank you so much for joining us. Ito po sa lahat po sila at makakatulong sa inyo para palakihin yung inyong mga negosyo. So I suggest, kung may mga notes kayo, kung notes kayo sa cellphone ninyo o sa papel, please take down some notes. At kung may content, pwede nilapitan yung kanilang booths dyan sa likod, yung Maya, yung GCash, at yung mga iba't ibang booths na dyan. Now, unang-una sa lahat, I think importante kung malaman natin saan sila nanggaling, kay bago, kay luma, maliit, malaki, ay nakakabahagi o nakakasama sa lahat ng transaksyon. Anong ibig sabihin ng transaksyon na pinansyal? Ang ibig sabihin nito, yung mga negosyante maaaring mag-open ng account, mapa-e-wallet pa yan or bank account pa yan. Meron silang kakayahan at pinagbibigyan sila ng paraan ng kapital. At mabukod doon, sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng impormasyon din, pagtulong sa marketing at iba pang pagtulong. Kami po ay nakikipag-ugnayan sa mga partners namin ng mga kooperatiba, rural banks, financial institutions, at mga payment channels para matugunan ang pangangailangan. Traditional banks, kayang suyurin ng yan, ng digital bank dahil digital na. Idudugtong ko ngayon sa paraan ng GoType. Wala kaming branches, wala kaming physical manifestation of the bank. Pero pinapalitan namin yan sa pamamaraan ng partnership namin sa Docotoy Group, sa Robinsons. Napaka-kilalang pangalan ng Robinsons. Papa-supermarket yan, papa-drugstore yan. Kampante, mga kapwa natin Pilipino, pag nakikita nila at naaalala nila ang pangalan Robinsons, kilala ko to. Magmulat bata pa ako, Robinsons na yan. Ang ginagawa namin, ang mga kiosk, ang tinatawag namin kiosk namin, or sabihin na lang natin malaking cellphone, inilalabas namin sa mga supermarket. Makalapit kasi sa Robinsons Supermarket, sa pizza, nandiyan kayo. Oo. Tapos, doon na rin sila magde-deposit at mag-withdraw. Dadaan sila sa kahera ng Robinsons, pupunta sila, deposit, withdraw. So kung anong kaya nilang gawin sa branch, magagawa nila. Paano naman pag sila hihirap ng pera para sa kanilang mga negosyo? Buksan nyo lang po yung cellphone, download niyo yung GoType app, at madali lang pong mag-sign up para sa GoType. Isang government ID lang po. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo naman makuha na kaagad yung inyong debit card, no? O yung ginagamit natin sa ATM, 5 minuto lang, less pa. Pumunta lang po kayo sa isang kiosk ng GoTime. Mahigit.
Wala lang siya sa 250,000 pesos na loan at zero interest na dyan. Zero interest kami ng pandemic. Ikaw naman hanggang post-pandemic, may zero interest na pa rin. Zero dyan, challenge kami kanina. Mag-zero interest tayo sa certain types of borrowers. Pwede naman yun. Kasi lalo na pagka yung medyo fledgling pa lang. Pero siyempre, sa laki ng portfolio ng mga financing companies, siyempre iba-iba na yan. Meron dyan para sa zero interest, meron para sa mga lumalaki. Meron po kaming graduation at suki program. Pag nagbayad na kayo sa amin ng 6 months, ng tuloy-tuloy, walang palya, mamahalin na namin kayo till death do us part. Yung death, D-E-B-T. Diba? Till death do us part. Ibig sabihin, aalalayan namin kayo hanggang lumaki kayo, hanggang milyon-milyon ang kailangan nyo. Kasi napansin namin, katulad siguro ng mga ating partners dito, kapag good payer ka, maganda ng maganda ang credit record mo, palaki ng palaki ang makukuha mo, kaya nandyan kami. Kami lahat nakaalalay. Provided may disiplina. Yung bata.
At sa bago lang, here on stage is President for Sales and Account Management of Globe Business, Mr. Francisco Claraval. Palakpakan naman kami, hindi sila walang palakpakan. We also have here joining us on stage, the Corporate Relationship Management Head for Small Business of PLDT Enterprise, Mr. Yuan Torambalian. On stage. Joining us here on stage, the lifestyle category lead of TikTok Shop Philippines, Mr. Jonah Michael Ople. Mr. Ople, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Kasunod po, yung manager and co-founder of Taste and Tell Manila, Miss Mariel Chuateco. Miss Mariel, thank you so much for joining us here on stage. At ito naman po, yung ating Kangkong King, the President, Mr. Frank Anthony Gao. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of our speakers here on stage. We appreciate your presence. At bago pa tayo magsimula, di ba sinabi ko, Jonathan Cecil Ramos. Jonah, come on down. And joining Jonah here on stage, another good friend, please welcome the Chief Executive Officer and founder of Discover MNL, Ms. Lucky Sol Alabado. Hi Lucky, hi Jonathan, thanks for joining us. And finally, our third time sa charm, please welcome on stage, is an entrepreneur, content creator, podcaster, Mrs. Dani Barreto Padlino. Hi Dani, thank you for joining us. Ladies, please take your seats. Alam mo ba ako lahat? I want you to take a good look at the panel. I am so proud to have them here because these are three very strong and popular female entrepreneurs. Palakpakan naman po. It's so nice to see an all-female panel here at the Hapanito as we begin with content creating a family of celebrities. So iba naman yung approach mo naman dyan. Share us a bit more about your own approach into how you got into your business of content creation.
Okay, so yung content creation started in college. Parang I wanted to, parang hindi ko talaga yung fashion of college. I was fourth year high school entering college. So, the first year of college, the fashion design student ako naman. So, lagi ako nagbibihin. So, Tumblr, well, there time ay wala pang YouTube, wala pang Instagram.
Kasi ito na anong year na para medyo
Oo, Tumblr era ako. 2011, 2010.
So mga medyo bago pa yung Facebook.
Bago pa yung Facebook, tapos palabas pa lang yung Instagram nun, or kakalabas pa lang ng Instagram nun. So, nung college, ang ginagawa ko lang was my website. I need to share my outfits. And tell them about my day, how's college. But it started the next year. So, brand started. We were lucky, I also started with excellence as well. And then biglang na-realize ko na yung pera na ako ng bayad. So, doon ako na, wow!
For joining us here today.
Thank you so much. Magandang hapon po! Hi! Okay pa ba kayo? Okay, narinig naman klaro?
Okay, thumbs up. Narinig ako sa likod. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up. Ayan. So, many of the kapatid, kanina pa. Please take a seat over here. At bago lahat ng isang kwento ako, siya po ay naging estudyante po ng aking kapatid. Siya po yung kanalang Facebook. Tama ba ako?
Ledesma na ngayon. What's her name?
Miss Ligalon.
Miss Ligalon.
Miss Ligalon. O bago lahat, for what inspiration, kay natin ang ulit natin mga entrepreneur dito.
Hi guys! So maraming salamat sa Go Negosyo dahil pinipita ako dito para hopefully mag-be part ng advice sa mga negosyo owners. At kung may mga tanong kayo, kalimutin niyo yung floor director baka pwede niyo tanongin sa akin ni RJ para we can help answer your questions.
So marami sa mga sa oras mo. Marami tayo na yung content creator dito. Marami tayo na iba yung dito. Come from me.
So, syempre back in 2008, wow, na-started Twitter, yung mga 143 characters. And then I was there with my cousins, si Georgina Wilson, tapos yung kaibigan ko si Ann Curtis, si Solen. Tapos pagkatapos ng Twitter, nung lumas yung Instagram, kami mga unang-unang nag-join ng Instagram kasi they were Instagram natives kumbaga. And then nakita namin na while being on TV, maraming people, maraming mga tao, ay nanonood din online streaming. So,
love and support. When opportunities arise, seize them with confidence. You never know, you could be the next big success story. So never stop dreaming and take bold steps forward to turn those dreams into reality. If others can do it, we can do it too. And to our partners in the government and in the private sector, let us continue to work hand in hand to pave the way for the success of our MSMEs. As we embrace the Bago Pilipinas vision under the leadership of President Bongbong Marcos Jr., let us unlock boundless possibilities and create more opportunities for our MSMEs. The success of our MSMEs